Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your time zone. In today's video, I'm going to give you this latest update concerning Bitbank upgrade. Okay, this Bitbank upgrade. Let me show you how you need to go about this upgrade. If you're in Bitbank before, okay, they have upgraded their app. They have upgraded their app to the latest version. Okay, so which means you can't do a lot of things on Bitbank until you upgrade your Bitbank account, and they have introduced KYC, know your customer. Okay, that's the reason why a lot of things have been going somehow. Okay, so what they have said is that before you can do anything on Bitbank, you need to upgrade your account and run your KYC, know your customer. Okay, it's very important. So if you want to do that, like, if not because I have upgraded mine, it will be showing me go and upgrade your account. That's what it will be showing me here. But because I have done mine, that's the reason why I'm not seeing anything like upgrade. So if you want to upgrade, what you need to do is for you to delete this very one, because a lot of people, if you're trying to upgrade it here, it won't work until you delete this particular app. Once you delete it, you will go to the official website and download another one. Okay, if you want to upgrade, you can use the link in the description to go to their official website and upgrade. All right, so after upgrading, you will go to your wallet. Okay, this is wallet. You go to your wallet. Once you are in the wallet, the next thing you are going to do is just go to this place, go to settings, this place, go to settings, and you click on settings. Okay, can you see that there's new things that they have upgraded, like this KYC here, know your customer KYC certificate. Okay, you need to click on that. If I click on it right now, you will notice that my own is under review. The audit result will 72 hours. Please wait patiently. So because of this, I don't think I'll do what I want to show you right now, but let me keep telling you how it works. Once you are here, if not because of the review that they are still doing on my account, okay, you would have seen how it works. But I believe that after upgrading your account, you will see the first one you will see is your how you can upgrade. The first step is if you have driving license, if you have national ID card, if you have voter's card, or so on. So if you have any of them, you click on the one. Once you click on the above, you select any of the one you have. Okay, so once you select the one you have, you will then, after that, the next thing you are going to do is to upload your national ID card or any types of document you have. If you have national ID card, you can use it. If you have license, you can use it. So after uploading that, you will see a place where you will enter the ID number. Okay, you will see a place where you will enter ID number. You put your ID number so that they will use it to confirm that truly that what you are showing them is the truth. So after uploading your ID number, another thing you need to do is just to hold the ID card. Okay, hold it on your hand and snap picture with it. Okay, hold it in your hand and snap picture with it. After holding it in your hand and snapping picture with it, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to put your funding wallet. Okay, they want to know where the money you are spending on Bitbank, where it comes from. Okay, if you are using Bitbank to recharge your Bitbank, you need to copy the address. You need to go and copy the address, okay, and send it here for confirmation. So that's that. And after doing all those things, you need to recharge your account with 10% of investment that you have. Yes, very important. Like other platforms do that. After doing KYC, you will need to top up your account. Then after the review have completed, then you can withdraw your money back. Okay, so that's how it works. And that 10% is any amount you have invested. You need to top up 10% of that amount. That's how it works. Then after doing that, please, everybody should do this immediately. Okay, everybody should do this immediately. 10% of total investment you did. That's it. So after doing all those things, you submit your account and wait for them to review your account patiently. And the time they give is 72 hours. So that's that. For my own opinion concerning Bitbank, if you have the heart to invest in Bitbank, you can do it. Just ignore other people criticizing Bitbank, okay? That's normal thing about business. That's normal thing about business. Once you follow the guideline of a business, you will keep making money with that business. But once you don't follow the guideline, you will have or you will see the consequences, and then you will start discouraging others to invest. Okay, I'm a fellow investor. I have been investing on this platform. Can you see that? I have 254. Okay, so that's to show you that we are all in this game together. If we lose, we lose. If we gain, we gain. That's one thing about cryptocurrency. If you are doing online business, all you need to know is that if you win, you win. If you fail, you fail. Okay, that's it. So thank you, my lovely brothers and sisters. If you want to participate in this, please make sure you join me through the link in the description below. And if you're a newcomer, you don't need to go all this process. All you need to do is just to use the link to register and verify your account by doing KYC. Okay, that's the only thing you need to do. The 10% is just for those that just started before now. That's the 10% of the amount. And that amount, that 10% that you will invest, that you will recharge, is for them to use it to confirm that yes, this is truly your account. So you will withdraw it immediately after the verification of your account, and then you can withdraw 10 times a month. Okay, and they say that is for free. So if you want to take the risk with me, you can join. Okay, I'm not a professional advisor. Always remember that this is just for educational purpose. Thank you for your time.